Arizona is a state in the western United States, grouped in the southwestern and occasionally mountain subregions. It is the sixth largest and the 14th most populous of the 50 states. Its capital and largest city is Phoenix. Arizona shares the Four Corners region with Utah to the north, Colorado to the northeast, and New Mexico to the east. Its other neighboring states are Nevada and California to the west and the Mexican states of Sonora and Baja California to the south and southwest. Arizona is the 48th state and last of the contiguous states to be admitted to the Union, achieving statehood on February 14, 1912. Historically part of the territory of Alta California in New Spain, it became part of independent Mexico in 1821. After being defeated in the Mexican-American War, Mexico ceded much of this territory to the United States in 1848. The southernmost portion of the state was acquired in 1853 through the Gadsden Purchase. Southern Arizona is known for its desert climate, with very hot summers and mild winters. Northern Arizona features forests of pine, Douglas fir, and spruce trees, the Colorado Plateau, mountain ranges, as well as large, deep canyons, with much more moderate summer temperatures and significant winter snowfalls. There are ski resorts in the areas of Flagstaff, Alpine, and Tucson, in addition to the internationally known Grand Canyon National Park, which is one of the world's 7 natural wonders. There are several national forests, national parks, and national monuments. Since the 1950s, Arizona's population and economy have grown dramatically because of migration into the state. And now the state is a major hub of the Sun Belt. Cities such as Phoenix and Tucson have developed large, sprawling suburban areas. Many large companies, such as PetSmart and Circle K, have headquarters in the state, and Arizona is home to major universities, including the University of Arizona and Arizona State University. Traditionally, the state is politically known for national conservative figures such as Barry Goldwater and John McCain, though it voted Democratic in the 1996 presidential race and in the 2020 presidential and senatorial elections. Arizona is home to a diverse population. About 1/4 of the state is made up of Indian reservations that serve as the home of 27 federally recognized Native American tribes, including the Navajo Nation, the largest in the state and the United States, with more than 300,000 citizens. Since the 1980s, the proportion of Hispanics in the state's population has grown significantly owing to migration from Mexico. The state also has a substantial Mormon population. The state's name appears to originate from an earlier Spanish name, Arizonac, derived from the O'odham name Alisonac, meaning small spring, which initially applied only to an area near the silver mining camp of Playas de Plata, Sonora. To the European settlers, their pronunciation sounded like Arizna. The area is still known as Alisonac in the O'odham language. Another possible origin is the Basque phrase Haritz Ona, as there were numerous Basque shepherders in the area. A native Mexican of Basque heritage established the rancheria of Arizona between 1734 and 1736 in the current Mexican state of Sonora, which became notable after a significant discovery of silver there. c. 1737. The misconception that the state's name originated from the supposedly Spanish term Arida Zona is considered a case of folk etymology. For thousands of years before the modern era, Arizona was home to many ancient Native American civilizations. Hohokam, Mogollon, and ancestral Puebloan cultures were among those that flourished throughout the state. Many of their pueblos, cliffside dwellings, rock paintings and other prehistoric treasures have survived and attract thousands of tourists each year. In 1539, Marcos de Niza, a Spanish Franciscan, became the first European to contact Native Americans. He explored parts of the present state and made contact with native inhabitants. Probably the Sobaipuri, the expedition of Spanish explorer Coronado entered the area in 1540 to 1542 during its search for Cibola. Few Spanish settlers migrated to Arizona. One of the first settlers in Arizona was José Romo de Wever. Father Kino was the next European in the region. A member of the Society of Jesus at Tubac in 1752 and Tucson in 1775. When Mexico achieved its independence from the Kingdom of Spain and its Spanish Empire in 1821. What is now Arizona became part of its territory of Nueva California, also known as Alta California. Descendants of ethnic Spanish and Mestizo settlers from the colonial years still lived in the area. At the time of the arrival of later European American migrants from the United States. During the Mexican-American War be paid to the Republic of Mexico. In 1853, the U.S. acquired the land south below the Gila River from Mexico in the Gadsden Purchase along the southern border area as encompassing the best food,